What is up, everybody? Here we go, my first ever for sale sign. I'm going to take you guys on a tour through my first open house, my first ever real estate listing as a solo agent here at 110 Undercliff Avenue in Edgewater. A little open house sign. They're scattered throughout the neighborhood. Give you guys a quick tour. Hopefully I can get through this before more people come in. Let me tell you guys a little something about this townhouse, and I'm not just saying this because I'm representing the seller. When I moved to Edgewater about 5-6 years ago, and I turned onto Undercliff Avenue for the first time, this is one of the very first townhomes that I saw, and I absolutely fell in love with the look of it. And I'm just so incredibly blessed and beside myself that I'm actually tasked with selling this absolutely gorgeous property. Beautiful views of the city, the cliffs. We are on the ground floor right now. Hopefully the iPhone does it a little bit of justice. Anyway, this home is 4+ bedrooms. Technically, I would say it's a 5-bedroom, as you'll see as we walk through. But we have it listed as a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath. Beautiful area right here. Little dining area. Check out the lighting. Absolutely amazing. The floors. Dining room area, living room area. A real wood-burning fireplace. Television. As we walk through, check out this kitchen. Guys, this kitchen must be almost the size of my apartment. Look at this kitchen. How absolutely gorgeous this kitchen is. As you can see here, we have our little sign-in sheet. Got my Christmas music playing. Customer report sheets for anybody that comes in. Business cards, Pellegrino, definitely need that. And let's take a little look in the backyard really quick. Check out this backyard. This is one of them. In all of Edgewater, New Jersey, this is the cliff. Up there is Cliffside Park, New Jersey. On that rock where you kind of see the white, there's a waterfall. There's a functioning waterfall. Beautiful, brand new lights that were just installed on the cliff for at nighttime. You can see them in the pictures on Zillow, Realtor.com, MLS, all that good stuff. Very private. Just an awesome, awesome backyard. Tons of deer. Just absolutely gorgeous. So here's the 1.5 bath powder room here on the first floor. You have to be in this home to just feel how warm and inviting that it is. And the feel of this home is unlike any other townhome I've been in Edgewater, and I've been in the majority of them. I'm always going around checking out the new inventory. And while the new constructions are absolutely gorgeous, I wouldn't turn one down if you gave one to me. This home has such charm and such warmth that there's just no comparison. It's one of one in Edgewater. And if I could afford it right now, trust me, I would be putting a bid on it. All right, so we're in one of the bedrooms on the second floor. Here's the associated bathroom. Another little set of beautiful stairs to go up as we approach the second bedroom. Beautiful sized bedrooms here, guys. Absolutely beautiful. We have another full bathroom right here. So that's 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, washer and dryer, beautifully placed on the right floor. This way you're not bringing your laundry up and down the stairs. And now we are entering the master suite, guys. Check out this master suite. Tons of natural lighting in this home. Absolutely beautiful open concept. And look at this. 2 sinks, jacuzzi tub, absolutely gorgeous, overlooking the cliff. And at nighttime, if you're taking basically a jacuzzi in here, you can see and you can open the window and hear the waterfall coming off the cliff, see all the lighting on the cliff. It is just absolutely spectacular. Whoever purchases this home is very, very fortunate because it is absolutely gorgeous. I know I sound like a broken record, but every time I walk into this home, I get excited. It's just that beautiful. And the feel of it, you just don't want to leave. All right, we're going upstairs to the attic, guys. This is where basically, I mean, this attic is an apartment. Beautiful, carpeted, tons of closet space. You walk back here, you basically have another bedroom with a window, tons of natural light. Absolutely beautiful. Storage on storage on storage up here, guys. And then we basically have a little reading nook over here, or a nursery, depending on what you want to use it for. 3,000 square feet in here, guys. Absolutely gigantic. Walking out onto the basically rooftop terrace here. Try to pan around nice and slow so you can see just how gorgeous this is. Beautiful wall separating the townhouse next to us. Beautiful nighttime lighting, which we captured in all the pictures that we put online. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at the color of the leaves. It's beautiful time of year here in the Northeast. What a lot of people don't realize is up there in those trees is a bald eagle nest. Every time I've been over here, I've always seen the bald eagles fly over. And right there, that building is called the Alexander, and they always land on top of the Alexander, and they kind of go back and forth. Absolutely beautiful bald eagles we have here in Edgewater, New Jersey. Not too many people know about that. Right off in the distance over there is Sojo Spa Club, Hudson River in front of me, uptown Manhattan. Like, look at this spot up here, guys, for entertaining. All the seating. The cliff up behind you, super private. Breathtaking, guys, absolutely breathtaking. You know, Edgewater is I feel so blessed to live in Edgewater, New Jersey. What I love about Edgewater is it's like this perfect mix of suburbs and urban environments kind of colliding. And the diversity of people that we have here is nothing like it. It's truly awesome. Every culture, people of every origin are all here. And I can't speak higher of Edgewater, New Jersey. It is also food shopping heaven. From this house right here, we can walk across the street right over there, and we have Mitsuwa Marketplace to the left over here. Can't see it because there's a wall, but there's Trader Joe's. To the right of Mitsuwa over there, we have ACME. And then on the other side of Trader Joe's, we have Whole Foods, all within walking distance. All right, let's go down to the fully finished basement with access to the garage. This little coat hanger here as we walk into. Guys, this is basically an apartment down here. This is a 1-bedroom apartment. Little kitchenette, kitchen table, awesome floors, tons of closet space. Another full bathroom down here and a bedroom. Absolutely beautiful. We're just going to peek into the garage. The owners are going to be moving, so forgive all the stuff that's going to be kind of moved out of here. So a lot of it's in the garage, but full garage, awesome, with an EV charging station in there. Basically brand new appliances. This is one of one, guys. Just absolutely gorgeous home. And it's just actually an honor for me to be in here and trusted with selling this beautiful home. One more time, walking through, fully functioning wood fireplace. When that fireplace is on, guys, oh my goodness. High ceilings. Look at the height of these ceilings. Incredible. Absolutely beautiful for entertaining, having the family over during the holidays, and the backyard, the rooftop deck. If you offered me this townhome or basically any other townhome right now in terms of what's on the market in Edgewater, New Jersey, for me, and I'm not just saying this because I'm tasked with selling this property, it's because I love it that much. Again, 5-6 years ago, I moved to Edgewater, saw this townhouse, and I was like, oh my goodness, it's like an oak log cabin in the middle of Edgewater. It's gonna come out here to Undercliff Avenue. Just give you guys a little shot of the property. Again, guys, this is 110 Undercliff Avenue, Edgewater, New Jersey. We're gonna be having open houses today and tomorrow, the 25th and the 26th of November, from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. Would love to see you guys here. If you have any questions whatsoever, please send me a direct message or call me anytime. My phone number is right over here. It's on literally every sign throughout town, and I'm here to help you guys. So hope everybody had an amazing Thanksgiving, and I hope to speak to you guys all soon. Have an excellent and blessed weekend, guys. Ciao.